Welcome. Let's talk about the future, but not some far-off sci-fi future. We're talking about 2026. By then, AI isn't just going to be another tool in the toolbox. It's going to be the main engine driving who wins and who loses in business. So, how do you get ready? Today, we are breaking down a real, actionable playbook to help you navigate what's coming. All right, so just so you know where we're coming from, everything we're about to cover is pulled from Chapter 10 of the AI Industry Predictions for 2026 report by Virtualization Options LLC. We're zeroing in on this last chapter because, honestly, it's the strategic capstone. It's the what to do now guide, and it's built specifically for the leaders in the room. So let's just cut right to the chase with the one question that really matters. In just a couple of years, when we hit this massive inflection point, where is your organization actually going to be? I mean, really think about that. Because here's the reality. 2026 isn't just another year. It's the year of the new competitive divide. The whole landscape is being redrawn, and the gap between the companies that get AI and the ones that don't, well, it's not just growing, it's becoming a chasm. And look at this. The difference is just night and day. On one side, you have the AI leaders. These guys aren't just making things a little faster. They're inventing brand new services, totally redefining their industries. And then you've got the laggards, who are looking at higher costs, slower reactions, and, frankly, a pretty steep decline. The stakes are incredibly high. So how do you make sure you're on the right side of that chasm? That's where this strategic playbook comes in. The report boils it all down to 4 clear, non-negotiable imperatives you have to get right. And here they are. 1. Strategic integration. 2. Ecosystem collaboration. 3. Sustained investment. And 4. The one that underpins everything, a human-centric vision. Let's dig into what each of these really means. Okay, first up, and this one is huge. AI can't be just another IT project anymore. It has to be a conversation happening at the board level. You have to start treating AI like a core asset, just like your financial capital or your best people. It means looking at your entire business model and asking, how does AI change everything? So once AI is part of your core strategy, you're going to realize pretty quickly you can't be a lone wolf here. That brings us to number 2, ecosystem collaboration. The world of AI is just too big and moves too fast for any one company to master. Success means building partnerships with cloud providers, with specialized AI companies, even with universities, to innovate faster than you ever could on your own. And of course, all that takes resources. That's the 3rd imperative, sustained investment. Now, it's really tempting to look for those quick wins, that immediate return on investment. But the report is clear. That's a trap. Real, game-changing transformation with AI demands a long-term commitment. If you're only focused on saving a little money tomorrow, you're going to miss the multi-billion-dollar opportunity right in front of you. Now we get to the foundation, the thing that really holds all of this together. The technology is just one piece of the puzzle. The most powerful, most successful AI strategies are always built on a human-centric vision. And this image just says it all, doesn't it? The whole point of this isn't to replace your people. It's to make them better, to amplify what they can do. Let the AI handle the boring, repetitive stuff so that your team's creativity and strategic minds can be completely unleashed. So what does that look like day to day? It means you're investing heavily in retraining your workforce. It means you're creating a culture where people see AI as a partner, not a threat. You know, this isn't just about feeling good. It's about unlocking the massive combined power of your people and your tech working together. And finally, the report makes this critical point about your mindset. You don't just do AI and then you're done. That's not how this works. It is a continuous, never-ending journey of learning and adapting. The winning companies are going to be the ones that live in this constant cycle. You experiment, you learn from what happened, you adapt your plan based on that feedback, and then you scale up what works. It's a loop. And honestly, this agile way of thinking is the only way you're going to keep up. So let's pull all this together. By 2026, the technology itself, that's just going to be table stakes. Everybody's going to have access to powerful AI. The real, lasting competitive advantage won't come from just having AI. It'll come from having the vision to lead with it. This quote from the report just nails it. This is the call to action. It's not just about the tech. It's about weaving that tech together with your people's potential, with a strong ethical framework, and with a sharp strategic vision of the future. That's the winning formula. So here's the bottom line. The race has already started. The decisions your organization is making right now or failing to make are what will determine where you land in 2026. Your competition is busy building their AI future. The only question is, are you?